Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to build a full-fledged investment website with your smartphone. I mean with your smartphone and your internet connection. That is all you need. The reason why I did this tutorial is because some of my students are asking me that they want to build a website but they don't have laptop, and I'm telling them you don't need a laptop for a website. What you need is your knowledge, the idea, the smart idea with internet connections and your phone. In this particular tutorial, I'm now going to teach you in-depthly how to build a complete full-fledged investment website using only your smartphone. Let's get started.
Okay, let's get to the full tutorials here. So this is my cPanel. If you want to get this particular cPanel, you have to pay with a hosting company. They will give you access to this cPanel logins and your domain. You are going to pay for your hosting. That is when you have access to this cPanel, and also your domain name. That is the name of the website you are building. Then if you have logged into this particular cPanel, you locate, let's go back. If you log into your cPanel, this is the first thing you are going to see is this. This is first you are going to see. Then for you to upload your files, you now go to File Manager. This is File Manager here, right? Then from here you go to public_HTML. That is the content of where you should post the content of that website you are building. I'm going to click this public_HTML. Then you upload this is the file, the content of the website. I've coded this thing for basically for this particular person now, right? So I've coded it to my system, then I upload it here so I can extract it and upload it and do everything I want to do here, right? So but if you have not uploaded yours, see what you are going to do. Go to look at the menu. You're going to see upload. Click on upload here, right? You're going to see choose files. Then this will now direct you to your phone, where you will now choose the file you are uploading. I've uploaded mine, right? So let's continue. I'll now extract this. If I highlight it, I'll now click, you can see extract here. I'll now extract files, right? So it is extracting, so pay attention to every bit of what I am telling you now. It has finished extracting. This is the hedge, right? You can see that it's created a folder inside this public_HTML. I will now open this hedge folder, right? The other one is zip file and the other one is the extracted folder. I will now open this hedge folder. This is the contents of the file, right? I want to now copy this particular hedge and paste it inside public_HTML. For your website to be active, you don't need to paste it inside any folder inside public_HTML unless your code requires that it be in that particular folder, right? I'm now going to select all, then move it to public_HTML. You can see the hedge here, right? This is public_HTML/hedge. I will now delete this hedge, right? And leave that slash, which means your website/public_HTML. That should be where I am posting this. Are you getting this now? I'll now click on move files, right? Then if I want to see what's happening, I'll now click on up one level. You can see that everything has been posted here. Then this is the hedge file. I can basically delete it if I want to, right? Then I have actually extracted these things and I have moved it inside this particular public_HTML. Then what next again? I'm going to read installation guide for this particular script because it is an investment script. We are going to read installation guide. Then let me click on this and edit, right? So we see what we are doing here. It says then database core folder is env files. Then admin link is your domain.com/admin/login, and this is the content, the login details for logging in. But first of all, let's finish installation. Then the core folder here is .env file. That is where we are going to do our installations. Then let's go back. This is let's go to hedge, not here. This is core, right? No, let's go to settings and bring out hidden files, show some hidden files. Then this is assets. I'm looking for the env files. I'm looking for the env file. Assets is not here. Let's go to core. See the env files here, right? .env files. Then see what's going to happen now. I'm going to edit this, right? And open this particular place. You can see where it says database username, right? Database password and database name, then app URL. So this app URL, I am going to replace it with my domain name. In this database username, I will replace it to my database username, then replace this one with my database password and replace all of this 1 2 3, right? Then for me to get started with this, I have to go back. Let me now go back to where I started, right? Let's go back to CP and go back. If you want to create a database, you go back, you go to this is database wizard, right? If you go to database wizard, you can click on database wizard. Then this place they said fed quant. This place now you can write any name of your choice, provided you can remember it. I can use any name, Edus. The next step, right? Then this is, I can also use database username as Edus too if I want to, or use another name, but I just want to use the same name. Then over here is database password, right? I will now generate password for me. This is what is generated. I will go back, copy all of these things now. Make sure you copy all of them. Don't skip any. If you skip any, it will not work. I will copy all of this. Then I will now go back. Are you seeing how easy it is? Right? I will now go back. They say DB password. Are you seeing DB password? This is the DB password. Make sure you are deleting it, because this is code. If you make any mistake or add any relevant code, you can see I added dots here. If I leave it like this, the code will not work because that is not part of the password. You can see how I edited my own. Let me save it so that it will not refresh when I come back. I'll now go back again. I'll tell the system I have copied this password in a safe place. You tick it, then I'll tell the system use this password for me. Are you there? So I now said create this user, right? Then are you seeing it now? Let me not save. Actually, you can see the database user and database name, right? Because in as much as two of them is the same thing, I'll copy the two of them, then use all privileges and also make changes, right? Good. So the reason why I'm doing this thing, because if you save it before you get access to this login details, it will be very difficult for you. So it's either you copy it, I'm using it immediately, or you are copying and you are pasting somewhere, right? Then let me now go back and complete the setup. I will now go over here. Then this is my database name, right? This is my database name. I will paste the database name here, right? I'll paste the database name here, and database username, because the two of them are the same thing, right? I intentionally used two of them are the same thing because so I will not be looking for passwords and usernames and copying contents up and down, so it doesn't really go well for me. You can see how I'm doing this thing now. This is what you can basically do and charge somebody 300,000 naira to do it with your smartphone, and you charge them 300,000, 500,000. This particular one I'm doing, I charged 350,000, right? I'm charging 350,000 naira, right? In this particular app URL, I'm going to go back and copy my the domain name, right? This is the domain name, right? I'll go over here, copy it, then go back, right? You can see the website is not loading, but after everything now, you see the magic, right? Okay, this is it here. I will now delete it and replace it with my original URL. You get? Are you seeing everything now is correct? I'll now save. Make sure if you did not save, it will not work. Make sure you save after everything. Then we'll now go back. See, the website will not go now. Let's just reload it. It will not go now. Are you seeing it now? Because you have not set the database. We have to upload some files in the database. Okay, let's go back now. Let me show you. This is our file manager, right? Let's go back, go to public_html, and this is SQL. This SQL is the important one, and this is SQL. You now download this HDB, right? That is database. You are going to upload it inside that database you created. I'll now click download, right? I'll now click and see that I've downloaded it before, so I'll not download it again. I'll now, you can want to download, I'll now click download, but let me not download because I have it already in my system. Then let me now go to this place, right? And locate that folder, that's database that I created. This is go to phpMyAdmin, right? This is my phpMyAdmin. Then let me go back, phpMyAdmin, right? So I can see the databases that I created. Let me go back to this place. phpMyAdmin. Go to phpMyAdmin. FedQuant. You see the FedQuant. Then this is the Edus, right? Remember, if you have created two databases, select the original one, the real one you are using. I've created a Fed before. Now I'm created Edus is the current one. You are there when I created it. I will now select that Edus again. Then click on this arrow here. So you see Edus here at the top selected. I'll click here. Then go to import. This is import. Then I'll go to choose file. From this file, I'll go back to my system here, right? This is the hedge. Are you seeing the hedge.sql? Hedge.sql, right? I'll upload it. Are you there? Then I'll now click on import. Once you click on import, it will load. Just leave it to load. Maybe it's network that is delaying it. Are you seeing it's going now? It is going. Then import has successfully finished. 149 queries executed, right? If you go back to that website and reload it, you are going to see that it will definitely work because you have did the right thing. Else, you check what you imputed. If it did not work, you check ahead, see the site. If it did not work, you check your these files you pasted in env files and check if you uploaded the the SQL file correctly. If you did it, it was, look at the files here, right? This is an investment website. So you can basically charge your client like 300,000 to 400,000. I have charged once 1.5 million for an investment website I did with my smartphone. Then I have all of the, I have investment website, I have banking script, I have shipping script, I have all of these scripts. Once my client says they need this website, I will now charge them so much amount of money and what build this site for them. You get? So if you need this particular website, just DM me in the comment section and we sell you this in a cheaper price. Once you tell me that you are coming from my YouTube channel, I'm going to give you this in like 75% discount, if not free. It's almost free because you are following.
Enjoyed every bit of this tutorial. I just want you to like, comment and share. You can even subscribe if you have not subscribed, so that anytime I dropped a subsequent update like this, you are going to see it in your notification. Thank you and remain blessed.